There are numerous ways to make money online from side hustles, and in this video, I'm going to talk about 7 best and profitable side hustles that you can do. And the first best side hustle that you can do is freelancing. Freelancing is a tried and true way to earn extra money, and it deserves a top spot on any list of easy side hustle ideas. Freelancers deliver work on per project basis for one or more clients, and you can schedule this work in your own time. Many fields offer freelance opportunities, and freelance graphic designers, writers, editors, and website developers are in high demand. Market your freelance skills to your personal network for free through email and social media accounts. You can also reach potential clients through freelancer sites such as Fiverr, Upwork, and freelancer.com. These sites usually handle project management and payments for you. The average hourly pay for a freelancer is usually $63 an hour. The second side hustle is dropshipping. Dropshipping lets you build a strong e-commerce store without worrying about purchasing, stocking, and shipping the items you sell. It is the cheapest and easiest way to break into e-commerce sales. With dropshipping, you only pay for the items you sell when a customer makes a purchase. The dropship vendors take care of all storage, packing, and shipping details, then charges you the items wholesale and shipping costs per order. And with dropshipping, you'll manage your own website, marketing, and customer service. With this side hustle, you need a good e-commerce platform that integrates with dropshipping vendors such as Shopify and WooCommerce. Proven dropshipping suppliers such as AliExpress are the best place to start building your product collections. The average monthly pay for dropshipping is about $3,000 a month. The third best and profitable side hustle is content creation. If you have a passion for creating content, consider starting a blog, a YouTube channel, or even a podcast. Top platforms such as Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram have creator programs that let you monetize entertainment shorts, how-to videos, commentary videos, and more. Viral social media content takes many forms, and you can make money if you know how to create it. As your audience grows, you can monetize through advertising, sponsored content, product sales, or even crowdfunding. You need high volume of views to earn money, but it's a fun and low cost side hustle idea that can potentially earn high income. Social media platforms are free to join and lets you upload unlimited posts and videos. And most platforms provide their own free creation tools, and you just need a phone which has a camera to get started. The average salary for content creators is about $3,600 per month. The fourth side hustle is online coaching. You can make money through your knowledge by creating and selling online courses and coaching programs in your own spare time. You can do this by sharing your expertise in topics you excel in. This is another side hustle idea that's easy to launch thanks to user-friendly and low-cost online course platforms. Combined with social media marketing, ebooks, YouTube promotions, and blogging, online courses and coaching can grow into profitable side hustle, making passive income. Online course platforms such as Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare walk you through the course creation process and help you create courses with personalized coaching. You can also add online courses and members-only content to website platforms such as WordPress to create your own branded platform. On average, course creators make about $68,000 a year. The next side hustle is social media influencing. A social media influencer is a social media personality that influences their audience with their actions. Influencers have a huge impact on consumer trends regarding product promotions and featured products in their content. When an influencer's audience see them use a specific product or promote a specific brand, they'll be highly persuaded to buy anything because they trust the influencer's judgment. You can build a strong presence on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube and collaborate with brands as an influencer. You can earn money through sponsored posts, brand partnerships, and affiliate marketing. Brands will collaborate with you to promote their brands, and they'll either give you free products or compensate you. The average influencer makes $2,900 per month. The next best side hustle is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you advertise someone else's products or services in your own platforms and you get a commission from any sale from a referral, which is usually a unique link or code. This side hustle idea is a great way to combine side hustles. If you're an influencer, have a store of your own, you have a YouTube channel or a podcast, then you should get into affiliate marketing. It's a great way to make passive income while you're either working in another side hustle or working on your own passions. To get started, go to affiliate marketplaces like ClickBank and share a sale and find the right products for you. Amazon affiliates is also a great place to start affiliate marketing. New affiliates with decent website traffic can earn up to $1,000 per month. The next side hustle is selling digital products. Creating and selling digital products in your own free time is another low to no cost side hustle idea. Digital artwork, logos, music, photography, video, and website design templates are great digital products. You can make money by creating this digitally and selling through downloads on your own websites, social media platforms, and even digital product marketplaces. You can create digital products using your own graphic, photo, video, or music software, or even use free online platforms such as Canva for creation. Monetize your creations on your own website or by uploading to creative marketplaces. You can make a few $100s to a few $1,000s per month selling digital products. Having a side hustle is a great way to make extra income, and they talk about side hustle ideas that you can start. If you like to watch more content like this, please do subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.